Hi, good day. My name is Edgar Calao and this is my paper review 2 in the topic about AI in military weaponry. And let me start to my introduction. AI is like teaching computer to think and learn like humans do. It helps computer do tasks that usually need human intelligence, like recognizing objects in pictures, understanding languages, or making decisions. In the military, AI is used to make weapons smarter and more effective. It can help soldiers make better decisions and keep them safe. But AI also raises questions about how much control we give to machines and what happens if they commit mistakes. So while AI can be really helpful, we need to be careful how we use it. In the paper review, AI in military weaponry, artificial intelligence is used in military weapons. It talks about how AI is becoming really important in our country to fight wars today. Instead of just using traditional weapons like guns and tanks, now they also use AI to make their weapons smarter and more effective. This means that AI is changing how wars are fought and won. It's like having a powerful brain helping soldiers and commanders make better decisions during battles. This paper shows why AI is a big deal in today's military world. In my personal opinion on topics of AI and military weaponry, that has become a transformative force across various sectors. And the military sector is no longer and with the ability to process big amounts of data and analyze complex patterns and make instant decisions. AI has revolutionized military sector. AI can offer significant advantages in terms of accuracy, efficiency, and strategic decision making. It can save potential and reducing collateral damage. However, I am also mindful of the ethical considerations and potential risks associated with the use of AI in warfare, particularly regarding the impact on human rights and civilian population. In the context of Asia and the Philippines, the implications of AI in military weaponry are profound, as countries in the region strive to modernize their armed forces and assert their security interests. The adoption of AI technologies would lead to a shift in power dynamics and military strategies. Philippines specifically embracing AI in military defense could improve its capabilities in safeguarding its sovereignty and territorial integrity, especially in the light of ongoing territorial disputes in the South China Sea. The Philippines has been exploring the development of AI in military weaponry to enhance its defense capabilities. While the country has shown interest in modernizing its armed forces, including investing in advanced technology, the extent of its involvement in AI development for military purposes may be limited compared to other nations with more extensive research and development capabilities. The focus has primarily been on acquiring and adapting existing technologies rather than leading in AI innovation for military applications. However, the Philippine government has recognized the importance of incorporating AI into its defense strategies to address emerging security challenges effectively. In collaborations with allied countries and partnerships with the private technology firms may play a significant role in advancing the Philippines' capabilities in this area. Nonetheless, ethical considerations and the need for transparency and accountability in the use of AI in military contexts remain essential priorities for the Philippine government to ensure responsible and ethical deployment of such technology. Regarding national security, AI could offer both advantages and challenges. While AI-enabled systems would enhance detection and response to security threats, they also raise concern about the potential for cyber attacks or manipulations of AI algorithms. Maintaining control over AI system and ensuring their reliability and security while be important for safeguarding national security interests. The adoptions of AI in military technology may have implications for sovereignty. Countries must maintain autonomy over their AI system to prevent external interference or influence in military operation. Additionally, reliance on AI technologies developed by foreign entities could raise concern about data privacy and sovereignty. The use of AI-powered surveillance system could violate on individuals' privacy rights as it involves collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data for security purposes. Implementing regulations and safeguards can protect citizens' privacy rights while still benefited AI for security purposes, ensuring that surveillance activities are conducted transparently and responsibly. There are concerns that AI in military weaponry could lead to violations of human rights if deployed indiscriminately or without proper oversight, particularly in the case of lethal autonomous weapons system or CLAWS. The international humanitarian law and ethical guidelines in the development and deployment of AI-powered military technology can help uphold human rights principles, minimizing civilian casualties and collateral damages during armed conflicts. In conclusions, while AI offers promising opportunities for enhancing military capabilities, it also possesses complex challenges that must be carefully addressed. As the Philippines and other countries in Asia navigate the implications of AI in military weaponry, it is essential to approach its development and deployment with a clear understanding of its potential impacts and a commitment to upholding ethical standards and international norms. Overall, the paper underscores the need for careful and responsible approval of AI use in the context of warfare to maintain peace and security worldwide. Thank you for watching my paper review too, and God bless.